I write the story of what is happening in the society. That's how I believe it. It may be social, may be religious, may be folkloric, and may be political, if you like. But to me, the theater is to reflect the age of the society in which we live. Traditionally, Africans don't count the number of their wives. We know we have wives, there may be 5, maybe 10. My grandfather had more than 20. So, but usually it's a secret to the household. But I would just tell you that there are more than 10. And in this community, there are some petty jealousies, but they are not as pronounced as to damage anything. If there's a quarrel now, it is settled. And people live together like brothers and sisters. It's a thing that I think I like very much. This is our life.